Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can disable the parental control on your Nintendo Switch. So what you need to do is go to the system settings over here. Then we need to scroll down to find the parental controls over here. Let's enter, and then we can unlink the app. So let's do so. And then of course we will need to enter the parental controls pin. If you don't know how to find the pin, for instance you have created the account but you didn't enter any pin yet, then let me show you what you can do. On your smartphone you want to enter the Nintendo Switch Parental Controls app, and then you want to go to console settings over here. Now pin is located over here, and if I tap here, then you will see the current pin at the top. If you want to change it, then of course you can also do that over here. You can enter the new pin, like so, and then once you are done with the changes, tap this button over here, and then it should be updated. And that's it. Now we can go back to the Nintendo Switch. Now on Switch we can enter the pin, and then after a few seconds it should be unlinked. And of course we can we need to confirm that we want to unlink, like so. And there we go. Now we have unlinked the Switch console from the app, and there should be no longer any restriction applied to the console. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.